Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to connect Lovable AI to GitHub in a few simple steps. This integration is perfect if you are using Lovable AI to generate content, code, or documentation and want to push it directly to your GitHub repository, automating your workflow and saving a tons of effort and time. Then this video is for you. So let's get started without any wasting time. So first of all, just go to the official website, which is lovable.dev, and make sure you are just logged in your account. After that, just click on this account here, Lovable, then just click on this settings icon or setting button. You can see in the left panel, here is the integration, Supabase and GitHub. Just click on this GitHub. Now in the left panel, you will see there is an option or section which is integration, and you can see Supabase and GitHub. As we are here for connecting the GitHub with our Lovable, then just click on this GitHub, and you can see now just click on this connect GitHub, and it will show you a pop-up, and you have to log in your GitHub account by your email and password typing, and you can continue with Google. I'm doing this, it's more easier and simpler. Just log in your GitHub account here, and if you don't have an account, then just create a new one. Now you will see it's asking to authorize your GitHub with Lovable AI. Just click on this authorize, and you can see your GitHub is connected with Lovable AI. So basically this is how you can connect your GitHub with your Lovable AI. And from now, whatever you will do on this Lovable AI, it will be added to your GitHub repository. And the biggest benefit is it automatically saves everything. And the biggest benefit is it saves automatically everything in your GitHub repository and create a Lovable streak to your GitHub repo. And no more copy pasting needed. And obviously it's clean and super easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe Easy Access Tech YouTube channel to get more guide like this. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.